Hello and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So today let's talk about beautifying places or renovating or transforming places with these beautiful lights. So for today's video, we are going to be dealing with recessed lights. We'll be transforming a shop using recessed lights. So this is how the shop looks now, and my client had only two Philip lights, one in one room and the other in the other room. So she only had two Philip lights. So as you can see on the screen, this is what I'm going to be dealing with. I'm going to replace these two Philip lights with many recessed lights because my client wanted her shop to be more bright to attract more customer. And then, as you can see on the ceiling boards, there are a lot of stains, so I'm going to be using a white paint to paint the ceiling. Here I'm just marking the hole which I'll be using to put the recessed lights. So I've already cut that piece of box which I already traced it from the recessed lights. So I'm just going to use this drill and this bit that I'm using to cut out this circle hole that I will be using to put the recessed light. And I will be doing the same thing to the other pieces of the ceiling boards. I'm going to do the same thing to all of them. So I've already prepared my white paint and I'll be using this small roller to apply the paint on the ceilings. So let's get back to work. Now the tricky part is here, where we'll be doing the wiring. So when it comes to wiring, make sure that you know what you're doing, and if you don't know, make sure to find someone who knows how to deal with the wires. But I'm not going to get into details about the wiring, but if you have any question, just ask in the comment section below. But all I can say is that always remember the red and black. Know that blue is red, brown is black, and etc etc. But just watch what I'm doing. Maybe you will understand, but if it doesn't, find someone who knows better about the wiring, or just ask me in this comment section below. But just follow the step that I've followed and see what I'm doing. If you have enjoyed this video till this far, make sure to like it, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when we upload new videos. Yeah, share this video and comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video. Thank you. If you have followed what I'm doing, you will see that I've already peeled out the black and red wires, and I'll be touching the blue and brown wires on the same cable. So now I've already joined the cables, as you can see, all of them I've already joined, and I've used the electric black sellotape to cover my wires. Always cover your wires so that you don't get a short circuit or a short. The good thing about these recess lights that I'm using, they have these small holders which holds from the inside through the hole, and the recess light will attach there firmly and strongly. It won't fall off. So just see the video how I'm going to place it, and you'll see it's very easy.